the brainstem, what do you think this is? No. Okay. Cerebrum's up here. So this whole thing's the brainstem. So what's this bulge in the brainstem? Okay, does everybody know where I am now? Okay. So if this is the pons, what's this? Medulla oblongata. Good. So we'll just say MO here. Medulla oblongata. So what are these guys? Olives. Very good. Olives. All right. Now, if we have essentially this part of the brainstem, we have essentially everything we need to know for landmarks for the cranial nerve. All right, we'll start out here with something that has nothing to do with this brainstem, however, and that would be these two great big nerves here. And what are they? The olfactory nerve. Very good. Olfactory nerve. Put an X in front of here. What's this? That's the optic nerve. Very good. Okay, a couple prongs sticking up like this. What are those? Oculomotor. Very good. Oh. So far, so good, right? The next one is going to be that little bitty guy, right? Coming around the back. This is called the trochlear nerve. It's nerve number 4. When I say nerve number 4, comes through the back door because it comes around the back of the pons. Okay? Right, nerve number 4. Nerve number 5 are these massive whippy nerves. They do all kinds of wonderful things. I'm not going to do the branches here, though, for you. I'm just going to do this nerve as it stands. It's nerve number 5, and that would be the 3 twins. Trigeminal. Trigeminal nerve. Okay? So far, so good. Now, imagine that the pons is the face of a clock. We did that, nerve number 6 would be at 6 o'clock, right? Nerve number 6 is the abducens nerve. It is again innervating the lateral rectus muscle of the eye. And so I would say that nerve, the oculomotor nerve, is at maybe 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. I would say that this, actually no, let's call this new, just for grids, okay? So, let's say 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. And this would be 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, right? That would be the trochlear nerve. And then at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock would be the trigeminal nerve. Does that make sense? If the pons were a clock. All right, and number 6, at 6 o'clock here would be number 6, which is the abducens. Good. Okay, now, the next nerve, if we work our way laterally, this nerve here working laterally, number 7, is the facial nerve. There's actually 3 nerves in a row here, lateral to the abducens. And they're very difficult to find, and oftentimes when I do a dissection, I wind up losing them because they are very brittle, very fragile nerves. So I haven't even looked to see what nerves I've actually encountered on my skull, or my brain, I should say. So we're going to find that out in a few minutes. Okay, if we take a look at this one next to it, this is nerve number 8, and that's the vestibulocochlear. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Then number 9 is sometimes right in this cluster here, sometimes just a little bit below that. And that's the nerve for gagging and gases, which is the glossopharyngeal nerve. Very good. Number 9. Glossopharyngeal nerve. Okay, we're almost there, aren't we? Number 10, the vagus nerve behind the olive. Vagus, behind the olive. Number 11, the staircase, or the fire escape. Going down the medulla oblongata, and that is the accessory nerve. So you have access to the staircase, do you not? Right. Accessory nerve. You see that all right? Okay. And then finally we're going to jump in front of the olive here. We're going to have this nerve in front of the olive, and that nerve is number 12, and that is hypoglossal. Hopefully that's something you can see, but nonetheless, I think we all know the last one because of the canal. Hypoglossal nerve, right?